One of the most useful data structure available in Python's collections module is deque, which stands for double-ended queue. Unlike a regular queue that is typically processed from one end, a deque allows you to efficiently insert and remove elements from both the front and the back. Let's import it first. A deque can be created from any iterable such as a list, tuple, a string, or even a generator. Okay. Appending an item to the end of a Python list is usually fast, but inserting or removing elements at the beginning requires shifting many elements. With deque, both ends are optimized. Append to the right, O1, append to the left, O1, pop from the right, O1, pop from the left, O1. This makes deque an excellent choice for queues, sliding, windows, buffering systems, scheduling algorithms, and many real-time applications. Adding an element to the right. Added. Okay. Remove the last item. Excuse me. Adding an element to the left. Adding an element to the left and add to the left. Okay. Removing the last item. Excuse me. Okay. Let's run and remove last item. Remove the first item. Okay, first item is removed. Instead of adding one item at a time, you can append several values together. Extend from the right. Okay. Extend from the left. Okay. Notice something interesting. Although the values were supplied in the order 30, 31, 32, they appear in reverse order. That's because each element is inserted one at a time at the front. You can reverse all elements in place. Okay, it's reversed. The original object is modified directly. One of the most unique features of deque is rotation. Rotate the right. Okay. Rotate the left by using a negative value. Excuse me, rotate. the left and rotate to the left by using a negative value. This here. And rotate negative. Rotate the left by using a negative value. Rotation is particularly useful in simulations, cyclic buffers, scheduling algorithms, and game logic. Suppose we have letters. Find the first occurrence. The output is 0. Start searching from a specific position. Three. Search inside a range. Three. Okay. If the value cannot be found inside the specified range, Python raises a value error. Count how many times an element appears. The output is 3. Insert an element before a given index. Okay. Remove the first matching element. Or remove the first A. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Only the first matching element is deleted. The deque class offers much more than a traditional queue. Besides fast insertions and deletions at both ends, it also supports rotations, efficient searching, counting, insertion at arbitrary positions, and removal by value. Whenever your applications frequently modify both the beginning and the end of a sequence, deque is usually a better fit than a standard Python list. Knowing when to use it can make your program cleaner, faster, and easier to maintain. Subscribe for more Python tips.